Tired of messy cables cluttering your walls? The brush plate wall cover promises a sleek, professional look by hiding up to 8 low-voltage cables behind your wall. Imagine your space free from tangled cords, with a clean finish that blends seamlessly into any room. It's the cable management upgrade you didn't know you needed. Installing the brush plate couldn't be simpler, even if you're new to DIY. It comes with a cutting template and straightforward instructions that make the process quick and painless. All you need is a drywall saw and a screwdriver, and in about 30 minutes, your cables will be neatly tucked away. No existing wall box? No problem. The included brackets secure the plate flush against your wall, giving you a polished look without extra hassle. What sets this product apart is its thoughtful design. The top-notch brushes hold your cables firmly in place without breaking off, while a clever cable catching mechanism prevents cords from slipping into the wall. Think of it as having a reliable guardian for your cables, keeping everything organized and accessible. Plus, its rectangular shape fits perfectly inside most TV mount wall plates, making it ideal for wall-mounted TVs and advanced cable setups. Users across the United States have praised the brush plate for its clean appearance and effective function. While some found the instructions a bit light and turned to online videos for extra help, they agree the final result is worth it. Whether you're managing a single cable or several, this brush plate delivers a neat, professional finish that elevates your home or office setup. If you're ready to upgrade your cable management without complicated installs or bulky covers, this brush plate is worth a look. It's designed to blend in, keep cables secure, and give you that clean, organized wall you've been aiming for. Plus, if you hit a snag, the product experts are available 7 days a week to guide you through any questions. Ready to clear your walls and simplify your setup? Try the brush plate wall cover when you're ready and see how easy cable management can be. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your space's look and feel.